So I haven't been this excited to talk about something since I launched the White Label Empire. For those of you who don't know what the Empire is, it's basically my business community that I started a few months ago, and it has been blowing up. And the success stories that are going to be coming out of this in terms of me helping guys build brands is really honestly inspiring. The community is all about helping and facilitating each other build businesses, right? Some people are going the white label route. You could also go the drop shipping route. I basically have a curriculum that I've built that basically walks you through step by step how to basically start a business from zero. And then how to scale it, how to grow it, how to basically become successful. Anyway, if you want to check out the 20-minute video I did that's for free, that actually walks you through step by step how to actually do it, I'm going to link to that down below. And then once you actually watch it, if you want to join, you can join from that point. But one of the offers that I threw out to the community is, hey guys, once you start and launch your business, I want to help talk about it, right? Because you guys are almost like my kids. I feel like, I don't know, I feel so proud of these guys and girls that are in there building their business that I want to basically share it. I want to talk about it. And these guys are honestly kind of like my proof of concept, right? And so something happened recently and I'm really excited to talk about it. The first business is actually live and it's right here. All right. It is called On the Move Watches. It is from our friend, Matt Miller, and these watches are sick. Check it out. This is my favorite watch. It's all murdered out. It's on this badass, high quality silicone strap, right? It's got a very AP or Audemars Piguet Royal Oak feel, and it is so sick, right? Here's another one that I absolutely love. Rose gold, black. It's on this black strap, it's leather, it's thick, it's sexy. It is just a badass design. And then there's a third option. Seriously, how sick is that? He only has 500 of these watches. And for a limited time and while supplies last, guys, there's a code for 50% off. If you use the code EMPIRE50, you're gonna get 50% off one of the watches. And the other cool thing is that you can also buy additional straps. Check it out, that black metal bracelet on this watch. Are you kidding me? You could also throw that metal one on the silver, but you could also grab the silver strap. Check it out, right? You could buy the metal strap with that, or check it out, the rose gold. As you can see, I am partial to rose gold. Guys, I'm gonna link down below to On the Move watches. There's also that discount code. It's for a limited time and while supplies last. Like I said, he only has 500 of these watches, so they're limited edition. And then the next version is going to look different than this, because that's one of the things that Matt wanted to do when he actually joined the community, all right? So the truth is that Matt actually launched this business prior to the White Label Empire, right? He worked with a watch designer and actually designed these custom. These are actually custom watches, all right? But the beautiful thing with white label versus custom, it is simply you just working with the manufacturer to customize, tweak, change, modify designs in order to make it unique, special, and badass, right? The movement in this is insane. Anyway, Matt built a premium watch. I'm just really proud of everybody in that community, and my goal, honestly, moving forward in the future is to help every single person in that community be successful. And one of the things that I wanted to do was basically talk about some of these businesses when they actually do launch. Now, there is a rule. You've got to sell 10 units without me before I will talk about it on this channel. Right? And so Matt has sold over 10 of these watches on his own, but I really feel like with some strategic initiatives and some different marketing strategies, he's gonna blow this up. He's gonna sell out of these watches, even at the regular price, super quickly. So if you're interested, guys, like I said, go grab one. They all are beautiful, they are awesome, and I am a watch slut. These are seriously badass watches, and I cannot wait to wear them. But I was excited. I got the shipment today, and so I wanted to just throw it out there and talk about it. Guys, if you are interested in checking out these watches, I'm going to link to it down below. If you are interested in starting a business and doing something amazing, I want you to join the community. But don't just take my word for it. If you guys are a part of the White Label Empire, guys, please down below, let everybody know what it's about. Is it as good as I say it is? I personally think it is. And like I said, one of the things that I was able to do is share your successes. Because honestly, your success as an entrepreneur is my success as an entrepreneur and as the creator of this community. Every single week we're in there. I'm doing a 2-hour live coaching call every single week where people can go, they can watch, they can engage, they can ask questions. It's literally like having me as a mentor. And it's, like I said, it is the highlight of my week, and it's the best thing I've ever done. Guys, I just wanted to share a success story and tell you about my watch company, because I truly feel like I am part of all of these businesses. And if there's one little thing I can do and just talk about it to highlight and showcase and support those that are supporting me and that are involved and that are basically trusting me to help advise and lead them, it's the least I can do. These watches are sick, guys. There are other businesses that are going to be coming out that are equally as amazing, but this one is sexy. And for the record, I am not getting paid to promote these products. I am not like getting endorsement deals. There's no affiliate code. It is simply my way of helping you guys that are actually doing something amazing, because truly there's nothing that will change your life like starting a business and being successful. It literally has changed my life, and you guys are the reason, honestly. You are supporting me and my journey, and so it's my way of supporting you guys as you take part and jump on this ride, because it is fun. It's hard. It's not easy, and that's the other thing I just want you to know. Nothing great was ever accomplished because it was simple or easy. You've got to work your ass off, and if you're willing to endure the punches that business and life throw at you, I'm going to be there in your corner. I'm going to be there cheering for you, because I believe in you, and I want each and every one of you to be successful, because truly, success will change your life. I'm not that smart, right? And I'm just being honest. I am a hard worker, and I don't take no for an answer. And over the years of owning over 20 different businesses, some have been successful, some haven't, I figured out a bunch of things. And this is my way of systemizing it and basically cutting out a lot of the noise and helping you avoid some of the mistakes that I have made over the years. It's my one thing that I can do, and it's something, in my opinion, that is the best thing and the thing that's going to truly be my legacy, because like at this stage of my life, I'm getting older, right? I'm successful. I've got enough money, and I don't say that to like brag. Once again, it's just about, I don't know, there's more to life than just having a lot of money. It's helping other people. In my opinion, that is the secret to happiness, and that's what I want to do. And that's my way. The White Label Empire in this community is my way of giving back and helping a lot of people. If I can help 1,000 people become millionaires and take care of their family and buy their mom's houses, like what's better than that? Like nothing, in my opinion. And so anyway, guys, I was excited. I'm super pumped. I'm excited for Matt. This is version 1.0. There is going to be a 2.0 coming out. We've already seen the renderings, and that's the other thing in this community, right? You're able to basically share and get feedback, right? And so Matt's been posting the new renderings. The new designs are going to be sick, but I honestly think these designs are crazy sexy and super badass. They're also masculine and amazing. Gentlemen, if you want to check them out, or the White Label Empire, all the information will be down there below. Thank you. Good luck, and I hope to see you on the inside.